After finishing the main menu in here, let's go to this one. This is the banner. So we change this welcome to our store. This is the portion where you put some, for example, 50% less or announcement bar. This is the portion of that one. And then this my store, we can put that in this portion, and then we add the logo also. And let's dive into it. Just click the part of the announcement bar. Just put your mouse in here and then click it. So this will appear on the side of your laptop. So you see the announcement bar in here, and then welcome to our store. If you don't want to have an announcement in here, you can delete it. But if you want to add something different from welcome to our store, I just click on here, welcome to our store, and then change this one as do you like to put something like 50% off. And this is the example that I did. So pre-shipping for order over $50, and it will appear in here. So you can see that's the same. After that, just click on this one, the side icon of this one, arrow icon to the left, and click the header. And you see the desktop logo position is in the middle left. This is the desktop logo position. And if you want to add this into here, you just click in this side, and you can see the center. Just click it. And after doing that, you can see the My Store in here is on the middle center. And if you want to put logo, not My Store, you just click in this side, the settings button, and then go to logo, then select image, and you can upload your logo also. And also this one, you can also put the Pabicon image, then select image. The Pabicon image, I will show you where you can see the Pabicon image. This is what we call the Pabicon image. If someone search you, there is an image in here before your search bar. For example, is Google. This is the Pabicon image. And this is also the Pabicon image of the YouTube channel or the YouTube. And if you want to search something like Shopify, this is also the Pabicon image of the Shopify. You can add also on your own in your website. Once uploaded, you just go to save in here. Just save your work. Now, if you want to add logo on your checkout page, you can go in here. This is your the work before, and then after saving, you just click on here at the arrow down and click on checkout and new customer accounts, and it will appear on your laptop. And then just put the logo in here and then click on save.